What's up YouTube, this is Clash with Days. Today I'm going to show you a tech video on how to play an offline game when your net is not available. So this is not so interesting also, but many of you may like it. So let's get started. First you have to disconnect your Wi-Fi or the data, anything you use it. Next you have to refresh the page. So you will see an dragon kind of figure is there, so you have to press the space button and start the game, and see it is going. It will be more applicable for kids of age around 10, so I don't know, many of you might like it. Oh, the bird is coming from the upside. Oh, it's a game over. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.